On
This is what it takes to run install, y'all.
On the end of this, if you notice, number 66, built without spouse threatening divorce.
Yeah.
That is a creativity point.
All right, who are you and what do you do?
Jeffrey Hald, sales over at Mobile Toys College Station.
Sales?
Yeah.
They don't even let you get in the bay?
So I do tune a lot of the DSPs that come out of there. But no, I do mostly sales and about 10-20% tuning.
You did all of this, but they won't let you install? So, this is not good enough to be in the install bay at MTI. That's how bananas that place is.
So this was actually, the panels in the trunk were built by James Davison, good buddy of mine. I did a lot of the behind the scenes stuff. I built the whole interior. But yeah, no, this is basically just my daily driver.
Where do you put the groceries?
In Sydney's car, not in mine. But
all right, give us the 30,000 foot.
So 30,000 foot, you've got your mids and highs amplifiers on the front side. I was next basshead. You met me in bass how many years ago?
We all know Jeff from the bass side.
So there's two 1500s back there powering two W712s. You've got the left and right VXI amplifiers for the left and right part of the system. You've got a front sub on the 5-channel, modified SMD distribution block, so that's self-diagnosing. All of your panels are wrapped front and back. You've got very consistent theme back here. You've got gas actuated strut lid.
Oh, fancy.
So there's two 50-pound gas actuated struts.
Yo, isn't that panel right there on your battery? Is that temperature?
Yeah. Yeah, so Casey Sims, bass heads know about him.
Shout out
Casey Sims.
Shout out Kaz.
So that'll change color depending on ambient temperature.
Are you impressed? Meh.
But yeah, no, so 1,200 hours of work.
Meh.
Yeah.
1,200 hours. All right, show us some cool shit. This is bullshit.
Hop around the back door there. Back door, you have two 12W7s, Baltic birch box, bolted in 4 locations. You've got C7 rear fill because, you know, if you don't have C7s in your rear fill, then it won't match the front.
Obviously.
SQ.
How low do these play?
In my SQ setting, they play from 9 to 22.
9.
9. Yeah.
9 times.
Yeah. In
9, he says.
Yeah.
He's serious too. 9.
No, they do. And in SPL mode, because you know I was a knuckle dragger at one point. It's about 140 dB, pretty flat. It's within a dB from like 60 to 25. So it's pretty
9. All right. What's up here? 9.
In the front side, you have.
Look, I hope y'all appreciate. He pulled this rocker out so y'all could see how awesome this is. So we have to highlight it.
Oh, you got the other side too.
This is what install. Oh, we gotta go around the thing.
So I gotta tell a brief story.
Oh, we gotta tell stories.
Actually, let me show y'all a creativity point in my book. So.
He's got a book.
Yeah. So on this.
This is what it takes to run install, y'all.
On the end of this, if you notice, number 66, built without spouse threatening divorce.
Yeah.
That is a creativity point. And let me explain how that was
Oh
accomplished.
my God, that's a point. You are killing me, dude.
This was accomplished using red and blue tech flex. Well, Jeffrey, why does that matter? Well, Sydney's favorite color is red and mine is blue. So the whole passenger side of the car, all the speakers, power wire, remote wire, Cat6 cable is all red and my side's blue. Romantic stuff. So, yeah, that's how I managed it. There you go.
Dude.
Yeah, so the front stage, you've got 8s in the doors, 3s in the dash, tweets in the pillars, front 10W6. Got,
sub in the in the front here.
You got
it's forward facing. Why did I think it was
I don't know.
the other way?
Well, you assumed. You know what they say about assumptions.
That's weird. I thought it was firing forward.
You got iPad mini in the console, SMD meters.
Where's the 80? Where's the 80?
The 80 PRS is where it's always been. It's where it always will be.
Hey now!
80 PRS for the win.
Representing our people right here.
80 PRSs are great.
Fucking right they are.
But yeah, so that's the daily driver. She does a little boom boom. She does a little sound quality. She looks halfway decent.
Championship. You got one, right?
I do.
You win last year?
I did win the Triple Crown last year. Don't jinx me, but hoping for a repeat.
Triple Crown. What is that?
That's install plus sound in the IASCA format. So basically, you judge install by one judge. You do sound by two judges from the driver's seat. Scores are averaged together, and someone goes, he's the best. But yeah, last year was 2 install championships, Triple Crown, and then runner-up across the board in sound, pretty much.
Stop bragging. Jeez.
Okay, fine.
Good grief.
But Second Skin for the win.
For the win.
Make sure to...
channel sponsor.
Make sure to use Second Skin products. Use JL products. They're fantastic. And
this thing. Let me just jump in here and show y'all the front. So, I know this looks like a giant panel for tweeters, but there's just one in here, right?
There's one tweeter. That's all reflection control.
Right. It's a big deal to control which way the tweeter's going. So all of this is to control directivity.
Believe it or not, the only speaker in this car that's on access is the W7's out back.
Well, yeah.
Everything is horribly off access to the point of not even facing you.
80 PRS is like $1,000 head unit at this point.
Yeah, something like that.
Fantastic. Look at this thing.
Oh yeah, and it's the only 80 PRS in the world that's been modified. Let me show you how it's modified.
Modified?
It's modified.
Up. We got some fancy stuff going on right now.
So these factory Mazda controls, let me hop over here. So these factory Mazda controls right here, volume and then track is controlled using these factory buttons. That was done by Chris Lewis, and you can control your track forward, your track back, your volume up and down, your mute. All of that's controlled using my factory buttons.
What?
So it's soldered directly onto the board. You can see it in my install book.
Oh my god!
It's little tidbits everywhere in this car, but
you're
yeah.
So gay.
Only on Tuesdays and bank holidays.
Let's go look at his book. Hang on. This is things. These are things.
And what do you want to see?
Let me see. I just want to see how terribly gay you are.
Yes.
Books and pictures. This is like some professional stuff. This ain't no, you're not just printing this out.
But yeah, so there's a...
you're not just walking into Kinko's and doing this.
But
look at this.
You can see...
Oh my God.
All the wiring.
You are so incredibly...
So like the inside the doors.
Yeah. Look at this. These are samples of all the wire that you have in the car, right?
Yeah.
Look, he has labels.
Soldered to the 80 PRS. You can see it right there.
He has labels on his samples.
Well, it's got to be consistent.
Geez, look at this.
If it's
got like a whole presentation.
Well, yeah, that's part of install. But yeah, no, so...
Nobody cares.
All right. So updating Jeffrey's finals here, as much as it pains me to list all of this. So I asked a 1-seat Triple Crown. He did indeed get the back-to-back Triple Crowns there. That's a big deal. I asked a Pro Custom IQC Install Champ. I asked a Pro Custom IQC Install 3X winner. I asked a Pro-Am SQC runner-up in the 3X. Signed for this L, Jeffrey. I asked a Pro-Am SQC World Champ. Emma X Unlimited World Champ. And he also won the Emma X 3X. Oh, Lord. We're going to have to get somebody to beat this guy. His head's getting a little too big.